In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Stripe with Xero so you can easily accept online payments and automate your accounting, especially if you want smoother payment processing and less manual work. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and on the top left corner, you will see your profile icon and there is going to be a drop-down menu. Make sure you're inside the correct organization, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Now from here, I want you to click the gear icon, which is going to be the settings. This is where you will find all the configurations for your Xero account. Now here, you will see different options and I want you to click the sales. Hover to where you can find the online payment because this is where you can add and manage payment options for customers to pay you online. Now here, as you may notice, you have the option to complete the Stripe setup. There is a drop-down menu if you want to cancel, but I highly suggest you click the blue button. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is super simple. You just have to add the information to start accepting money. If you click that, you need to enter your account details for Stripe. And all I have to do is click the continue button. What will happen is Xero will try to integrate with Stripe. And at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the integration. Now, if this is your first time setting up Xero and Stripe, you will receive an on-screen instructions and all you have to do at this point is follow them. Once done, Stripe will be linked to your Xero account. Now, after connecting, customers can pay invoices using credit cards or debit cards and payments are automatically synced inside Xero and your reconciliation process becomes much faster. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect Stripe with Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.